How to fix promotion disabled on Instagram. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are in here, move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Right now you can see that you are on your personal account, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In order to have the promotion option, you must have your business or creator account. For that, what you want to do is tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of Account Types and Tools. Head over to it. Tap on Switch to Professional Account. Now all you want to do is tap on Continue and follow the process that will be shown to you. Once you are done, your account will be switched to Professional Account and you'll be good to go. But if you are still facing this issue, then you can simply go ahead and report the problem. Once the report has been submitted, within 24 hours, the Instagram support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix promotion disabled on Instagram. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.